Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to start new chapter 13, Environment. Let us start. Importance of environment. A healthy environment is very important for the existence of all living beings on the earth. An environment consists of three elements: air, water and soil. Both living and non-living elements make our environment. A healthy environment is very important for all living beings who are living on the earth. An environment consists elements air, water and soil. Both living and non-living elements make our environment. The air we breathe in, the water and the water we drink, and the place where we live from our environment. Different kinds of pollution affect our environment. Negligent human activities also have a negative impact on the environment. It is very important to protect plants and animals. Cutting of trees has led to many problems such as global warming, reducing in rainfall, floods, etc. The natural habitats of animals are getting destroyed due to pollution. Our environment is getting polluted due to various factors. The air we breathe and water we drink and place where we live, different kinds of pollutions affect our environment. And negligent human activities, carelessness of human activities, and they are a negative impact on the environment. It's very important to protect plants and animals. Cutting of trees led many problems such as global warming, reducing rainfall, and natural habitats of animals are getting destroyed due to pollution. Our environment is getting polluted due to various factors. Pollution makes the air, water and land, soil impure as it adds harmful substances to them. Types of pollutions. There are 4 types of pollutions. These are discussed as follows. Pollution makes air, water and land make impure. That polluted these things are called pollution. And types of pollution are: firstly, air pollution. Addition of harmful gases and smokes in air. Air pollution. Addition of harmful gases and smoke in the air from vehicles, factories, firecrackers, etc. is called air pollution. Smokes from cars and chimneys of industries make the air polluted and unhealthy. The gases released by vehicles mixed with air and cause problems such as cough, skin allergies, asthma, etc. Air pollution. When harmful gases and smokes mixed with air, that is called air pollution. And smokes coming out from the chimneys of factories and gases released by vehicles mixed with air. And all these things mix with air and get polluted. This is cause cough, skin allergies and asthma, etc. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.